So I bought one orange cup for $3. So I have put $2 each, $2. So, and I have got $1 change. So now she is buying with her card. So we can buy with the card, we can buy with the cash, coins. So now we can see fresh oranges are there. So now the cup will come in this one, and whenever the cup is full, so that door will open up and we can take the cup. See, we can see the process inside. So already oranges are crushed and juice is there. It is extracting juice. See how cup has come to the bottom. So this machine is from Australia. So there is no added sugar. It's entirely pure oranges. I think 4 oranges, 1 cup. So yeah, now you can take it from, yeah, just up, yeah.